Hey, what's going on, all you kings, queens, and everyone in between? Thanks for stopping by on my channel. Thank you so much for all the love, all the subscribes, likes, and all the comments. It has been amazing. I would not have imagined that I started my channel 2 years ago, that it would be growing to where it is now. I never imagined that so many people want to hear tips and tricks and ways to save money and save the planet and the environment, but you are interested in that. The reason why I'm making this video is, one, to say thank you, and two, to be honest with you. So as we end this year, I told myself going into the new year, I need to focus more on my actual local business and my mental health. Not many people realize when you start a YouTube channel, nor did I realize that it would take up so much time and energy. And as of right now, I don't have that time and energy to give consistently. I may be able to put on some content next year every now and then, and I'll let you know when I'm fully back. But when I come back, I'm going to be stronger than ever in providing as much value and content for you. So thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for coming on this journey. I have plenty more videos that you can check out if you haven't seen all of them. Go ahead and check them out. I'll still come and check my comments. I'll still be conversing with y'all. Who knows, I might work on my other social media platforms so we can still communicate. I don't know what that looks like, honestly, but right now I have to work on me, work on my business, and spending time with my family. Those are the most important things right now, and you are important as well, and that's why I wanted to make this video. So I hope that you have a wonderful New Year's, that you are blessed with so many wonderful things that come your way in 2022. I wish you and your family nothing but good health, wealth, and prosperity. In the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.